This hair is giving me so much vibe. Like, I really love it. Like, it's beautiful. And I keep looking at myself. Like, why am I looking at myself again? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been wanting to have my hair braided like this. This is literally my best cornrow style when I was in uni. Like, I love making my hair like this. I like making this hairstyle, especially this slant deep parts in the middle like this. Sometimes I go for the straight one in the middle. And why I really love this hairstyle is because they kind of finish it. They finish the hair towards the side and kind of tongue. There's this tonguing thing they use there back home in Nigeria. It's so, before you know, they are done, and my hair always looks so amazing. Wanting to make this style, I've been looking for time. I've been looking for someone that can do this style like I really like it. But because I've been so busy and no time and couldn't get someone to do it for me, so I just kind of gave up. Okay, now is the fun part. So on Instagram, I follow this Finest Hair company. It's a hair company that deals with virgin human hairs and wigs. Their hair has good quality and very gorgeous. Guys, am I not gorgeous right now? Am I not gorgeous right now? This company contacted me and said, can you show our hair on your YouTube? I'm like, sis, are you serious? I'm ready for this. I'm ready for that. Like, I've been all over their page looking at their hair. I'm like, one day I'm going to just, you know, order this hair. And I was like, maybe because I think they are in Nigeria. Yeah, this company is a Nigerian company. I was like, because they're in Nigeria, I'll wait until someone I know is going home, then I order and get one of their wigs. And they contacted me to do a review. I'm like, okay. So which one? I went straight for my favorite wig, and this is my favorite wig. This wig is called Ma, N-M-A, Ma. And if you go to Finest Hair's Instagram page, you see all their wigs and all their weaves, all their other like other wigs and braided wigs, everything that is there. This feels so lovely. Like, I feel like this hair is made with my own hair. It's so gorgeous. Like, if I can wear a wig this braided, why should I go and sit down for some hours and braid my own hair? I don't think I can do that. I think this is an alternative, a very big one. Like, why should I sit down and braid my hair for hours when I can just pop this gorgeousness on my hair? I'm going to insert every detail you need to know about this hair down in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. This hair is beautiful. You can see already. I love it. Love it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Follow your sister on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram so that we can be seeing our fine pictures and be liking them. Do you understand? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this hair came and the packaging and everything. And they also ship with DHL, and this hair also, they ship free shipping. If you order up to 3, if you order up to 3 weeks from them, they'll ship you free. And if you want to start your hair business and you want to have like a wholesale and if you want to have like a wholesale order from 5, they do wholesale from 5 orders. So if you want to start your own hair business, you can contact them and you can come in agreement with them, and you know, order like 5 pieces of hair and they will send this to you. I know this takes a lot of time to braid, right? But this hair came so fast. Like, when she told me, sis, your hair is on the way, the next morning, the next day, my bell rang and I got there thinking it's something else, and you know, this hair, I was like, really? How was that possible? So shipping, this is the fastest shipping ever. Like, I couldn't even believe that you can ship from Nigeria and you get it this fast. So shipping, I give it to them. So if you need this hair, like, I don't know, I think you should just contact them. Go to their Instagram page. I'm going to put their Instagram handle down in the description box also. If you like how I look, why don't you just like this video? Don't you like how I look? Like this video. And if you're watching me for the very first time and you're not subscribed to me, click the subscribe button and let's be friends, like, so that every time I upload a new video you'll be seeing me, like I'll pop up like this. And when I pop up on your timeline, click the video and watch, like, and don't skip my advert. Don't skip the advert, just watch. So guys, thanks so much. I'm in good spirit today, and this hair is giving me so much vibe. Like, I really love it. Like, it's beautiful, and I keep looking at myself like, why am I looking at myself again? So now the hair came in DHL, like I mentioned before, and there's a bag in the DHL bag that contains the hair. This is Finest Hairs, 100% virgin human hair. They have all the social media handles mentioned on the bags and their telephone number. You can write them through WhatsApp, and you can chat with them and tell them what you want. And you can go over to their Instagram to check the kind of hair they have on their Instagram also. And so this is how this hair came. It's neat, it's well, you know, made. Like, this hair is amazing. Like, I don't even know what to say. The way they made it is like really nice, and they use a lace closure to make this hair, like you can see in the front there, and at the back you can see how it was well arranged. The net is nice, the fitting is beautiful. It also came with an adjustable strap at the back, like you can see. Like, when you wear this wig on your head, it fits so perfectly, like unbelievably perfectly. Like, it's so nice on the head. And so when you wear it like this is what it looks like when it came, you know. Like, if you are a baby hair fan, like if you like baby hairs, you can unravel the first line of hair in the front to create them. But like me, I'm not really a baby hair person, and I didn't really bother to do that. But if you are ordering this hair and you want to have baby hair, you can mention it to them. I'm sure they know how to fix that. So I noticed that I have to just kind of blend the part with my own skin. So I'm using my concealer in LA Girl in Fawn. I'm using that to, you know, define my part so that I can match my skin. So after that, I use my finger to, you know, press it down. Then I go over and, you know, like my hair, I have hair in the front, so I just use some Eco Styler and my hair toothbrush to like slick that down, you know. And you can see how nice and simple it was to just wear this hair. You can also shift the style to the middle a little if you want, or you keep it this style the way it is. I really like this hair. So
tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them.
So guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and until my next one, bye.
Come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them.